today is a beautiful day and we are gonna go to a charity car show. So since the Miata doesn't have tags and plates, we are going to load it up on the truck and trailer and haul it out there and do this charity event. We have a fellow rallycross racer who has got a new set of lungs and is gonna go towards a lot of that. So let's get started. Yes, please. Your wire on your neck. Nice arrow.
Hey. Leave my factory splitter alone.
It's to go under and then through the brakes.
Right.
Yeah.
It's the factory splitter. At least it was.
I really got to figure out what's wrong with this truck because that Miata doesn't weigh a lot, and it literally, this thing acts like it's towing a damn tractor with a fifth wheeler gooseneck on it. Like, it's kind of ridiculous. I learned to, like, I always wind up getting a breakfast scrambler from Quick Trip, but then I realized I can't eat it and drive at the same time, especially when you have a steering wheel that's like this, OBS life. I really have an issue with that. I don't know why I do that. I need to have a Monster Energy muscle milk thing, and they are delicious, and they're like my favorite thing ever. So we're almost there. It's like a 26 Harley. It's like a 26-minute drive, and then we'll unload, get set up. We'll be there early. It opens at 1. Yeah, this place is so dope, guys. Bam. So many pretty cars. Look at these things. Look at these things. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Race car for days.
Come on. Oh, no, that's as tall as it goes?
I think so.
Dang it.
Thank you, Reuben.
5. Thanks, Reuben.
Get a better vantage point from up here. It's super windy, so I'm not gonna really talking a lot during this video, just because you won't be able to hear me.
I can hear it now.
Alrighty guys, whew. I'm back at the house. I mean, I just wiped my face off. I am covered in dirt. It is filthy. Like, disgusting. Sorry I had to switch sides because I'm holding my camera that way. I'm not used to it, so it confuses me. But honestly, the event was amazing. They ended up raising more money than I think they thought they were. A lot of people came out for these ride-alongs, which was fantastic because there's, you know how many people have never ridden in a car on any type of course, less than a dirt course like that? That is a phenomenal experience to do for anyone who's never done it. Like, it's probably one of the most fun you can have in a car legally. Reuben, there's really words I can't explain. I met you like twice, and I think it's amazing that you have got the gift of a new set of lungs. That you're recovering fast. It's phenomenal. I wish the best of luck for you. I hope that every day from here on out is just an amazing day, and I just hope that you get out there and race more. Like, I'm really happy for you, man. The event was amazing. God, that's just, dude, I'm exhausted. So anyways, guys, that about sums it up. Sorry, I'm touching myself because I feel the dirt on me. It's in my teeth, it's everywhere. There's dirt blown everywhere. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. As always, hit that apex throttle out and keep going until you're number one. Love you guys.